welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Myra Touchaboo. If you don't already know, I'm uploading every single day in October. For today's video, we're doing a fall Fashion Nova try-on haul. I'm so excited for you guys to see the pieces I got. This video is sponsored by Fashion Nova. First video actually sponsored by them. You guys know I've done a few Fashion Nova hauls. I have gone ham. I just love Fashion Nova clothing in general. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 because I love fall clothing. So if y'all want another haul, let me know. If y'all want to see the pieces I got, then let's get started. So I'm gonna first show you guys the sets that I got because they're so easy to style. Literally, that's all you need to style yourself a set and you're good to go. So the first one is the cool and comfy cargo short set in olive. So it is these biker shorts, which I'm obsessed with biker shorts right now, you guys. I think they're pretty cute. Olive is the color to go, especially for fall. My eyes are olive right now. It is just such a vibe. And then it does come with this off the shoulder crop top. It is long sleeve, and I like that the arms are actually white at the end and it lays off the shoulder, which I think is so cute. It is such a comfortable set, yet so cute at the same time. Like, girl, you're gonna be comfortable but still looking like that bitch. All right, so the next one I think is called the paparazzi short set in black. I'm reading this off my phone because I had a list. I have used a lot of this clothing, so they don't have tags. I got all my sets in extra large. Usually I would do a large in tops, but because it does come also with the biker shorts, I did not want to risk it. And a lot of times with my shorts, I just rather do a bigger size just in case. We have the biker shorts, just some simple black biker shorts and a very oversized black long sleeve shirt, which is so comfortable. I actually saw Yvette XO rocking these sets and I was obsessed. It's like such a casual look, but it's so cute. I definitely would have been fine if I got a large with a shirt just because it's so oversized. But like I said, since it does come with biker shorts, I wanted to do an extra large and I feel like it fits me just fine. Very, very stretchy, by the way, you guys. Also, the olive set is very, very stretchy. I think I've worn this set. Have I worn it? I think I've worn it just around the house, but if I were to wear it out, again, just like the other set, I would do either sneakers or heels. It's just so crazy how comfortable clothing could look, but you could still dress it down or dress it up. That's what I'm obsessed about. Like, literally, I was wearing this the other day, just lounging around the home, and I felt cute. I was like, ooh, I might look busted, but I got a Fashion Nova set. It's over. I'm sorry. The next set that I got is a Noel Velvet biker shirt set. And again, it's like literally the same as the black set, but this time it's actually velvety and burgundy. This is so cute. I actually wore this top when I was carving pumpkins with my sister and people were like, where is your top from? And it just looked like oversized, casual, long sleeve, but people really loved it. So this is just overall a really cute set for fall, period. I don't know why. I would have never pictured myself being obsessed with an oversized shirt and biker shorts, but when you see it together, it is such a look. It's crazy how fashion changes. There's certain things that you don't think you would wear and then you wear them and you're like, oh my god, that looks so good. And then the shorts as well are the cutest thing in the world. They are also velvety, of course. They are so cute. I definitely want to order more of these because these sets I'm just so obsessed with, and right now they do have a lot of them. I'm obsessed, I think, in general with sets. Doesn't matter what kind, but I think I'm obsessed with biker shorts right now. These are like the perfect outfits for California weather because it doesn't get cold. They're like the perfect outfits for fall, you know? You still have your biker shorts to stay a little fresh, but you also got your oversized little comfy shirts. Out of all my sets, I think my favorite one is a burgundy one because it's just such a look. Like, I want to wear this out again. I wore it one time and I did not get a picture, so you know that's happening again. So I actually got another set that I did not know I got, which is hilarious. This is a Bondoc biker short set in white, and it's funny because I did not see this. I just saw, because I have my box right next to me, But I just saw that I have this other set. I'm telling you guys, I'm obsessed with sets. Sets are definitely it for the fall. I'm sorry. But this is a white set. And this is, oh, I know why I got this. Because I was going to pair this with a really cute jacket that I'm going to show you right after this. But it is a top. A really cute, just simple white top. Sleeveless. So cute. The material is... feels like it'd be very, very stretchy. The biker shorts do look a lot longer, which is cool. The other shorts that I got were a little shorter. Look at that. Yeah, these are definitely a little longer. Oh, so exciting. It's so fun when you forget that you ordered something and then it comes in and you're like, oh my God. I'm so excited to wear this. I think that was it for the sets. So I had got this sweater because I thought it was gonna look so cute with this white set that I just showed you guys. This is the cutest jacket ever. I was so obsessed when I saw this. I was like, this is something I'm gonna wear for fall and winter. It is such a vibe. It is so cute. And even my husband was shocked. He's like, wait, that's from Fashion Nova? Because I feel like when I order Fashion Nova clothes, there's like a specific style I always go for. And I don't know if my husband thought this jacket was like not my style, but I think it's so cute. So he was like, wait, you got that at Fashion Nova? I was like, yeah. So this is the Getting Around Corduroy jacket. Y'all ain't ready for this jacket. It is so cute. Look at this. This is like such a cute fall jacket. It is adorable. I love the white little fur moment. Or what would you call this? Not fur. And it is incredibly soft. And then the little belt that it has around the bottom. I'm sorry, snatched waist hoop. And I think this is gonna look so cute with a white set. Girl, I cannot wait. Just the jacket alone though, I feel like I'm gonna wear it all fall and winter. I'm halfway trying on my clothes and I completely forgot to show you guys a set I'm going to show you guys right now. I don't know how I missed this, but I wore it the other day and it's a pretty bomb set. I'm obsessed with it. I actually posted it on my Instagram. Go ahead and go like that picture right now. Yay. This is the Cool and Cargo Comfy set in olive. I don't know if I said this for the other olive one. I don't know, but I feel like this is the cargo set because it just gives me that kind of vibe. So this comes with a cropped long sleeve top. Super cute. This actually kind of goes with my look right now. Oh my God, I love this set. Super comfy. It's like a loose cropped long sleeve and the biker shorts are adorable. They have these like pockets on the side. Definitely one of my favorite sets. These are a little wrinkled, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I was wearing these the other day. This is definitely a fall look. But yeah, y'all, I don't know how I forgot to show you guys this damn set, but it's so cute. All right, so now on back to the video. I'm gonna move on to tops. The next one is a Tamiya Surplice bodysuit in black. And this is a gorgeous top and I think it's perfect for the fall. I mean, honestly year round, but it is such a vibe. It's like so sexy but still sophisticated. I love it. So it is this black bodysuit and I believe I got this, yeah, in the size large, and it goes all the way down as you can see. So you're gonna have a little cleavage moment. I mean, I got nothing, but it's still cute. I love that it's like sexy but still sophisticated. And I love that it's long sleeve. I love a long sleeve shirt. This with some high-waisted pants is such a look. And this is extremely soft and very stretchy. I think it's just really cute. I really like this top. The next top I got is a little white lights burgundy top. And this one I thought was so cute. Now, unfortunately, I feel like it doesn't fit me correctly because it shows a lot of my chest. I feel like I definitely could have gotten a bigger size. So I cannot really comfortably wear this, sadly, but it is such a beautiful shirt. I chose burgundy because I was like, burgundy is very fall, and it ties at the waist, which right now it's kind of hard to see because it's literally all over the place. If I lose a few pounds, just maybe it'll fit. We're gonna move on to jeans, which is my favorite part because I feel like Fashion Nova jeans are A1, honey. I cannot try any other jeans. Like, I'll try them out, but I always fall back to Fashion Nova jeans. Y'all know I stay wearing their jeans. I'm obsessed with them. I'm gonna show you guys the jeans that I got. I got a few, so get ready, buckle up, girl. I believe these are called Say Yes to the Distressed jeans in dark. I'm hoping these are the ones I got because I did rip off the tag. I already wore these. These are so cute. They are ripped from the bottom to top, girl, and I'm obsessed with them. I just love jeans like this. And I did get these in the size 15. I do switch sizes. Sometimes I'm 13, sometimes I'm 15. It really just depends. I feel like it's like that with a lot of jeans. I will say I ordered a size 15 in one of the pairs that I'm going to show you right now, and it didn't fit. So for for the most part, I will do 15 or 13. I usually like to look at the reviews on their site because people, you know, will say if they're true to size, if they're stretchy, if they're not stretchy, all of that. So the next are the Aubrey high-rise distressed jeans, and I actually got these in the size 14. They just look like this. They are dark jeans, and I like that it's like ripped kind of at the knee. I love the rip moment. It's so cute. I'm like obsessed with dark jeans. I feel like I'm more of a dark jean girl in the fall, but I love the rips that it has at the knees. It's such a vibe. Look at that. That is so cute. And these are all high-waisted jeans, of course. I feel like I would never be able to wear regular low-rise jeans, y'all. Like, I can't. Oh, okay. I see where I messed up. All right, so I got the Janelle boyfriend jeans in size extra large. That's where it gets confusing for me. But I got the size extra large, and I guess these are supposed to be kind of like boyfriend jeans. And I thought they were really, really cute. Like extremely cute, actually. I don't know what size I would be in these. So that basically completes this Fashion Nova try on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see a part 2 for fall clothing, let me know, because I love shopping in general. So let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Fashion Nova, for sponsoring it. Honestly, this is like a dream come true, because y'all know I really have been purchasing all my Fashion Nova clothing. I'm obsessed. Fashion Nova is just a brand that I recommend to anybody. I got my mom shopping at Fashion Nova too. I'm probably gonna have my man shopping at Fashion Nova soon. I feel like they have a lot of cute guy clothes as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that little bell so you guys are notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!